Enjoy third wave specialty coffee at home with just a press. Meet the Barista Express Impress. Let's get set up. Firstly, prepare the machine by giving the various components a quick rinse with warm water and dishwashing liquid, then dry. Next, you'll need to install the water filter. Start by soaking it in cold water for 5 minutes before giving it a final rinse. Insert the filter into the holder and click it into place. Set a reminder for the next month of replacement on the filter holder. It is recommended to replace the filter every 3 months in order to maintain your machine. Then fit the holder into the water tank, pushing down to lock into place. Fill the water tank with cold water to the max line indicated. Insert the bean hopper into position on top of the machine, locking it into place. Then fill with freshly roasted beans. For the best tasting coffee, always be sure to buy freshly roasted specialty coffee beans with a roasted on date on the bag. Place the grill on the drip tray and slide it into place like this. Now let's power up the machine. The power button will flash while the machine is heating, which will take around 35 seconds. Once the correct temperature has been reached, the 1 cup and 2 cup buttons along with the power button will illuminate. Next, you'll need to run your first use cycle to prime and flush the machine. This involves flushing the group head, purging the steam wand, running hot water through the machine and preparing the grinder. This will take approximately 3 minutes. Now we're ready to make our first espresso. You'll find single and dual wall filter baskets in both 1 cup and 2 cup sizes. Single wall filter baskets are best when grinding fresh coffee beans, whereas dual wall baskets should be used for pre-ground coffee or beans past the 30-day roast date. Use the 1 cup filter basket when brewing 1 cup or a single shot. Use the 2 cup filter basket for a double shot. Let's make a double shot of espresso with the 2 cup filter basket. This is a portafilter, which is a key symbol for third wave specialty coffee. Place it securely into the grinder cradle and the dose light will illuminate. Next, set the grind size. This setting will affect the speed at which water flows through the ground coffee in the filter basket and the flavor of the espresso. This machine has 25 grind size settings. The wide range allows you to finely tune the grind size for your desired extraction and flavor outcome. We recommend starting on size 16, then adjusting as required, depending on your coffee beans. Now press the dose button to start grinding. When the grind cycle is completed, the temp light indicator blinks. Push the temp lever downwards until you hear a beep. This action tamps the coffee grinds in the portafilter using a consistent amount of temp force to create an even coffee puck. Pushing the lever slowly and consistently will help to improve the puck appearance. For a really clean finish to your puck, simply tamp twice. The tamp is finished off with a Barista Twist, rotating the tamp 7 degrees to clean off excess grinds and to polish the puck surface. Release the lever slowly upwards to the home position after tamping. The dose level indicator provides feedback on your tamp. The smiley face is the ideal tamp level and the right amount of coffee grinds in the portafilter. This is the level you are aiming for. If the dose level is below the ideal amount, the machine will switch to a bit more mode and the dose button light will flash. Press the dose button to add a bit more grinds to the portafilter, then complete another tamp for an updated dose level reading. When the ideal dose level is reached, the machine will automatically update the auto dose time for the grind next cycle. If, on the other hand, the dose level is above the ideal middle bar, remove the portafilter from the cradle and use the razor trimming tool like this. The machine will calculate how much to reduce the auto grind time and update this for the next grind cycle. The Impress puck system reduces the guesswork. How good is that? Once you have your impressive puck, remove the portafilter from the grinding cradle and place it into the group head, twisting into place like this. Did you see that? No mess either. The Barista Express Impress makes cleanup a breeze. Press the 2 cup button for a double shot. This machine uses low pressure pre-infusion and PID temperature control for perfectly balanced taste. The ideal shot flows like warm honey. Perfect. There you have it, a great tasting espresso made with the Barista Express Impress. If you're ready to make the perfect latte, see our Make a Latte video.